Hi, I hope that you all are doing well. Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to Rempah Ratus kitchen. I'm going to cook a Kerala fish curry for you today. It is called Meen Mulakittathu. Meen in Malayalam means fish, and Mulakittathu means with chilli added. This curry is also known as Kottayam fish curry. This is because this dish originated in Travancore in the southern part of Kerala, and it is very popular among the Christians of Kottayam. As the name suggests, this fish curry is made with chilli powder and a little bit of turmeric powder. No coriander powder is added, no fish curry powder is added, and also no onions are added in this dish. This dish is cooked in an earthenware pot, and as with all Kerala curries, it is cooked with coconut oil. Because it is not cooked with coriander powder and onions, this curry does not have to be refrigerated. It can sit in its mud pot for 2 to 3 days without getting spoiled. In fact, it becomes tastier as it sits. Now, another thing about this curry is that it is not made with the usual tamarind that we use normally, the Assam Java. It is cooked with a souring agent that is called kudampuli in Malayalam. Kudampuli in English is called kokum or Malabar tamarind. It is a fruit which is smoked, and it is this smoky flavor that gives the distinct taste to the Meen Mulakittathu. But unfortunately, I couldn't find kudampuli, so I always cook this curry with Assam Java, the normal tamarind. But if truth be told, to get the authentic and unique taste of this Meen Mulakittathu, it must be cooked in a mud pot with coconut oil and with kudampuli. But we can only cook with what we have. Shall we start without any further delay? The following are the ingredients for the Kottayam fish curry. 550 grams of black pomfret fish. You can use any other fish you like. 7 pieces of lady's finger that have been topped and tailed. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a small pinch of fenugreek seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek powder. I have mixed 1 lime-sized ball of tamarind with water. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. 4 sprigs of curry leaves. Here I have pounded coarsely 8 green bird's eye chillies, 7 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped. This is a paste that is made out of 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, and 1 tablespoon of normal chilli powder. Finally, salt to taste. Shall we now make the Kottayam fish curry? Marila, kita masak. First thing to go in is the 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The flame is at medium. Now once the oil becomes hot, I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds begin to crackle, I'll add 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds. The mustard seeds are crackling, so in goes 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds. Please don't add a lot of fenugreek seeds because it will make the curry bitter. The pounded ingredients go in next. Fry this for about a minute. This has been frying for about a minute now. So the next ingredient to go in is the turmeric and chilli paste. Now the reason I mixed the chilli paste, the chilli powder and the turmeric in water is to prevent the paste, to prevent the powders from getting burnt, because this clay pot or this earthenware pot retains heat. Okay, I'm going to lower the flame to low or between medium and low and let this fry for about 2 minutes. I'll fry this until the raw smell of the chilli goes away. I'm reducing the fire to low and I'm going to add some water to this paste so that it won't get burnt. It's been 2 minutes now since this chilli and turmeric paste has been frying. The raw smell of the chilli and the turmeric has disappeared. Now I'm going to add the tamarind water and the salt. Salt to taste. I'm going to increase the flame to medium and let this cook for 2 minutes, and then I'll add some water. It's been 2 minutes and as you can see, this paste is separating from the oil. Now I'm going to add some water, about 300 ml of hot water. I'm going to increase, I've just increased the flame from medium, between medium and high. I'm going to let this boil. Now I should have added 2 stalks of curry leaves when I was frying the pounded ingredients. So I'm adding the 2 stalks of curry leaves now. So the next ingredient to go in are the fish and the lady's fingers. I'm going to reduce the flame a little bit. We have to be very careful from now on not to stir this dish too much, because if we stir it too often, the fish will break up, especially this pomfret. Pomfret is a very soft fish, so it's easily breakable. But even if you are cooking with fish like tingiri, it's wise not to stir it too often. Now I'm going to cover and cook this until the fish is done. It's been 6 minutes. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to low. I'm going to twirl this. Now I'm going to leave it and let this curry cook on a low flame for another 2 minutes. Now this fish curry has been cooking on a low flame for 2 minutes. So all in all, it has been cooking for 8 minutes. I'm going to twirl it one more time and check if the fish is cooked and whether the salt and the tamarind is enough. Yes, the fish is cooked. Now I'm going to test for salt and pepper. Yes, everything is sufficient. Now, usually no vegetables are added to the Kottayam fish curry, but I normally add lady's fingers. It must be the Malaysian in me. Now I'm going to add the roasted fenugreek seeds now. Give the smart pot another twirl. A few twirls actually. Okay. I'm going to now put the fire off. And the last two ingredients to go in is the 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil and the remaining 2 stalks of curry leaves. I'm going to cover this. Now this fish curry has been sitting for 5 minutes, and this last step that I did, that is the adding of the 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil and the curry leaves, is not usually done in a Kottayam fish curry, but I like to do it. So let's just twirl this once more. Now, can you see the color of this dish? It's red in color, and the reason that it's red in color is because of the Kashmiri chilli powder. Now, the Kashmiri chilli powder imparts a red color to the dish, but it is not hot. So even though I added 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, there is not much heat in this curry, and that's why I added 8 bird's eye chillies. Now I just taste it one more time because I really can't resist it. Just look at this. Let me just taste the gravy one more time. It's superb. Meen Mulakittathu or Kottayam fish curry served with Kerala matta rice.